Surah, number 84, of Quran Majeed. The splitting.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
إذا السماء انشقت
When the sky is split open,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and gives ear to its Lord as it should.
وإذا الأرض مدت
When the earth is spread out,
وألقت ما فيها وتخلت
and throws out what is in it, emptying itself.
وأذنت لربها وحقت
And gives ear to its Lord as it should.
يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه.
O man! You are laboring toward your Lord laboriously, and you will encounter him.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه
Then, as for him who is given his record of deeds in his right hand,
فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا
he will receive an easy reckoning,
وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا
and he will return to his folks joyfully.
وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره
But as for him who is given his record from behind his back,
فسوف يدعو ثبورا
he will pray for annihilation,
ويصلى سعيرا
and enter the blaze.
إنه كان في أهله مسرورا
Indeed he used to be joyful among his folk.
إنه ظن أن لن يحور
And he thought that he would never return.
بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا
Yes, his Lord had been watching him.
فلا أقسم بالشفق
I swear by the evening glow,
والليل وما وسق
by the night and what it is fraught with,
والقمر إذا اتسق
by the moon when it blooms full.
لتركبن طبقا عن طبق
You will surely fare from stage to stage.
فما لهم لا يؤمنون
What is the matter with them that they will not believe?
وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون
And will not prostrate when the Quran is recited to them.
بل الذين كفروا يكذبون
Indeed, the faithless impugn the apostle.
والله أعلم بما يوعون
And Allah knows best what they keep to themselves.
فبشرهم بعذاب أليم
So inform them of a painful punishment.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون
Excepting such as are faithful and do righteous deeds, for them there will be an everlasting reward.